How to reset default keyboard settings on Windows 10, 11. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to open our settings over here. And we're going to click on our time and language. Next, click on language and region. Over here in Windows display language, that should be your current or your language that you're utilizing. So depending on what region you are or you have selected here, the preferred language would be different or your default language would be different as well. Some language settings over here would change your different key on your keyboard. So even if you press P, it would come out as a different letter. So what you're going to do is to first, of course, select your region that you prefer here and then click on add a language. Look for the specific language that you want to utilize and have. For example, English, Canada over here, you could use that. And then you're just simply going to utilize that as your default language. So you could move them up over here, which will prioritize that option. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.